Welcome to a new episode. If you are new to my channel, my name is Patricia, Vincent, and I work full-time since almost 15 years as a fashion designer and artist in Vienna, Austria. In this episode, I would like to bring you a bit closer to my work. To my best ability, I will show you how some of my dresses look and feel. I'm going to combine short descriptions with photography, video, music, poetry, and nature. My model Lina was so wonderful. She comes from Germany, studies in Vienna, and this was our first collaboration. You will see her a little bit later. Her hair and makeup was made by Lucin, a dear colleague of mine. I will link her page in the description box below. I hope that I can offer you not only visual aesthetics, but also moments of calm and relaxation. So I suggest that you can find a quiet time and place, take your favorite drink, and step into my creative world. The first outfit that I would like to show you is made out of an organza corset. It has draping and asymmetric elements. The silk skirt is rich, timeless, and elegant. It is wonderful to walk or dance in it. This powdery rosette dress feels like a cloud. The silk chiffon is so soft and gentle. On the upper part, I decided to keep it simple and minimalist, and then I gathered the silk around the lower part of the waist to create richness and an understated opulence. I love to create underdresses, not just for the practical side, but also to offer more substance and shape. I've designed the third dress that I'm going to show you next in this beautiful brown color and black as the second dress. The idea is having a formal, pleasing but quiet dress, not dull but artistic. For the underdress, I chose the floral batiste fabric, and for the main dress, a silk chiffon. It gives a beautiful movement when you walk and a beautiful posture with the straight cut on the upper part. I can imagine it combined with a long wool vest on chilly days. The fourth outfit is very similar to the first one, the black top and skirt. The corset is draped and asymmetric. I chose a soft cotton fabric that gives fluidity and softness. The silk organza skirt has 3 layers to give boldness and movement. The fifth and the last dress in this video is made out of a stunning silk chiffon. Unfortunately, I only found 6 meters from it. The print is gorgeous, as you can see. The dress is a soft underdress that perfectly complements the silk from the main dress. I'm sure that each dress will find its beautiful and art-loving owner. I'm always delighted to know the occasion they are purchased for and how they will live and be appreciated along the years. Each of these dresses is one of a kind, but of course I can make one in your favorite color and fabric. For any questions, feel free to write me. Now I'm inviting you to step into my next presentation. You'll hear a poem that I hold dear in my heart. It is a spring poem, and although this spring has passed, it's a poem that is wonderful to read or listen on any season. I created a video and photography in Vienna on a beautiful day in May. You can see a selection of the photos on my website. You will find the link in the description box below. Spring Harbingers by George Koshbuk. From sunny countries and skies blue, from which last autumn tide you flew, return, dear birds, where you belong, most welcome you. The woods, bereft of leaf and song, weep, for they have missed you too long. In the eternal dome of azure, did you not dream with long-sighed pleasure of what you left? Did you not sigh for dear home's leisure, or cry when seeing in the sky the clouds that nobody did hide? You sang to nature paeans fraught with holiness, strangers you taught, our soulful doinas, when at times of us you thought. But did you tell them that their rhymes excel all those of other climes? Now you come home and you'll see again the woods, the fields, the lea, your nests in groves, so warm and deep, this summer verily. I feel I have a mind to leap, to laugh for joy to weep. You come accompanied by flowers, by gentle winds and sun-warmed showers, and nights so rife with honey-dew and cheerful hours. You thus take everything with you and bring back everything anew.